everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily use codes in Poly.Ai. So to start, we'll just have to open the app, and then once you're in the app, at the bottom you will now see this message feature. All we need to do is to tap on the message icon, and then after that you will now see this animated chat. As for me, it says Poly Agent. All we need to do is to tap on this one, and then in here we'll just have to send a message saying that I have a promo code or I have a code, and then after that tap on the send button. Once the message is sent, the agent will analyze our message, and as you can see, it is asking me for a more detailed or specific information of my code. So as an example, I'm just gonna type here a random code since I really don't have a real code. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna tap on the send button. So that's how easy you can use a promo code. All you need to do is to send it here and let the Poly agent analyze your promo code, and then after that it will automatically reward you your promo code. So that's how easy you can use promo codes here on Poly.Ai. I hope this video helped you out, and then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss a video on our channel, and I'll see you on our next video.